Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel, and at the moment we are doing a lot of Colourpop videos because I have bought a hell of a lot of Colourpop and I am not ashamed. I actually have 4 parcels of Colourpop on the way, which is unbelievable, but I cannot wait for them to come. So today we are doing a very special video. We are reviewing the Hocus Pocus palette. Because this is special, as my friend Claire actually gave this to me as part of my Secret Santa gift in Alex's Patreon group, and I was proper grateful for this, I must admit, because when I tried to put this in my basket it went out in the matter of seconds. So this is what the box looks like. Absolutely stunning, and then the palette is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, even the back is cauldrons. I just love everything about this palette. And then once you open it up, you've got the 3 sisters and then the palette. And can you believe I literally only watched this movie not last year, maybe the year before, so this is very new to me, this movie, but I do love it. There is no mirror in there because you get a picture of the sisters, which I'm not mad about, and it looks a bit distressed on the actual palette, like it looks tea stained because it's meant to look old, which I really like. So I'm just gonna throw on some Beauty Bay eye base on, and then we're gonna just tackle this palette. I feel like the first thing I want to do is take this shade here called On Toast and put that in my crease. I find that there's always kickback in a lot of Colourpop's pans. It's a very pigmented colour. Blending out seamlessly. I never have an issue with Colourpop's blending. I really love it. And you got to remember, I'm not a makeup artist. Then I want to go in with this pink shade called Dead Man's Toe. There's a lot of kickback for that shade, but I think that's just because it is a bright pink shade. Just make sure you're dusting your brush off. And then blending it out. See, it's a very pretty colour. I will link Claire's Instagram down below because she does stunning looks. Now the next shade I want to go in is Night of Frolic, which is a bit darker. And I literally just want to stamp that on the outer corner because I feel like a cut crease is necessary today. And now I'm literally just going to cut my crease. And then we're going to choose a lovely lid shade. Okay, I'm cutting one crease at a time because I don't want to like make the other one crease. So the first thing I'm thinking is maybe put in Thackeray Binks, this shade here, on like the outer corner, and then on the inner corner maybe going in with Tis Firm, this shade here. It is actually annoying that there's no mirror in this palette. It is a nice shade though. Let's go in with Tis Firm now. Oh, I like this shade better. I actually might just put this all over. Yeah, this shade is much nicer and more in your face. You know, it's insane the amount of people that are selling this palette on Depop for fucking a lot of money. Like, I don't understand. Just sell it for what it's worth. People are just crazy, aren't they? And it's annoying because there's people that I know that would really want this palette. So I'm just blending out the edges. Yeah, I've put that Tis Firm shade just all over my lid because it looks much nicer. For an inner corner and outer corner, inner corner and brow bone highlight, let's go in with Wench. Love that word, don't we? Oh wow. That packs a punch, I'm telling you. You're going to start hearing my brothers now because they're going to be working out and cooking in a minute. That is a nice shade. Right, let me go and do some base makeup in the other eye off camera and then come back. You know what I love? That there's a nice forest green and like a dark black shimmer in here. So there's the green, like a green shimmer, a black shimmer. It's got some lovely shades in here. There is like a pressed glitter Ooh. Ooh. It's not just the pressed glitter, like there is some shades to it. It's really nice. Do we do 2 different eyes and put that on my other eye? Yeah, let's put that on my other eye. Let me quickly cut this crease and then we're going to put that shade on my eye. Okay, let's put that shade Brew Potion all over my lids. This might be one of those shades that are too hard to put on with it. Oh, nope, the brush did pick up quite a lot. Ooh. You do have to keep picking stuff up off the palette, but it is a stunning shade. You see that? It just dropped. That is such a messy shade, like, but it is absolutely stunning. There's a lot of fallout from the glitter shade. There's no fallout from the mattes. I'm getting more fallout from the glitter shades, but it is gorgeous. I'm just gonna blend out these edges a bit more. Ooh. Now for base, obviously gonna go in with my Honey Dew Me Up. Like, I haven't found a primer better than this, and I get so many people onto this primer. It is amazing. I think I put way too much on, but with this primer a little goes a long way, and even if you do put too much on, it doesn't matter because it really blends in. We're going to take a holy grail. It is my L'Oreal True Match in 1W. I feel like I could go a little bit darker, but hey ho. My skin is literally not doing the best at the moment. I did give myself a facial yesterday, but it's just still needs a little bit more pampering. Once I've blended this out, I'm going in with my Revolution Conceal and Define and my not L'Oreal Rimmel Stay Matte, and I'll come back to do a bit of bronzer. I have actually ordered some base products from Colourpop, so you'll be seeing some more different items soon. Okay, time for some bronzer. I'm going to just use my Beauty Bay Fawn bronzer because it's just right in front of me. You know, one thing I love about Beauty Bay is the packaging does look quite cheap, but the products are always amazing. So it doesn't actually matter. I'd rather the packaging be a little bit cheaper because that way they can keep the price at a very reasonable price. Another Beauty Bay item in Bitten. I love this, you know this. It's probably been in a lot of my videos lately. And then for highlight, we're going to use Wisp, but in future videos I do have some more Colourpop highlighters. So I think I have Lunch Money coming, or I have it already in that box, but yes, let's use this. I love this. This is the best gold tone highlighter I own. Flipping hell, I've hit pan. Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't take a lot for me to hit pan on a Colourpop highlight. Can you imagine? I never hit pan on things. If I hit pan, you know I like it. Time to add another one of those into my basket. Flipping heck. I can't believe I've hit pan on that. You know what I want to try? Some of their shimmering dry oils. I've been watching a lot of Dupe That videos. Let me just say I love her videos on all the Colourpop stuff, and she's made me want to try some more dry oil. Well, shimmering dry oils. I say more, I haven't even tried one. Cannot believe I've hit pan on that. Wow. Do you know what? For both underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with On Toast. Keep it different but as similar as possible. Then we need an inner corner and brow bone highlight for this side. So we're going to go back in with Wench like we did before. What's funny, now I'm liking this eye more. I can't choose. Then for lips, yes. This one is called Flattered, right there. And then a bit of Bit Chet. Yeah, let's use a bit of Bit Chet, which is that like raspberry ready type shade. feel like that would be a nice combo. So guys, what are we thinking? I feel like I'm leaning towards this side a bit more, but I really do like this side. Love the lips. I'm sad that I've hit pan on my Colourpop highlighter, which I absolutely love. So let's just start swatching this bad boy, because this is a stunning palette. So we're going to start off here on the first row. This is the first row. So we've got like some mattes that have some shimmers in. Even this top shade is called Coven, which is like a cream shade with slight shimmer. That would have been a lovely brow bone highlight for me, because you know how much I love a cream brow bone. So let's start off with, well, let's go into the second row here. Do you know what? To watch some lovely swatch videos, you guys should really check out Dupe That. Her swatches are insane. You can definitely tell that she goes forwards and backwards a few times, and she gets PR, so I love how easy her videos are to watch. So this is the second row here. It's gorgeous, isn't it? That black with some shimmer in there. Like, it's slight shimmer, but really nice. Now I'm going to swatch this last row here. Oh my god, that wench shade. They're a bit more drier, but I think that's just because I'm rubbing out swatches on my hand. Oh my god, this last shade here, Goodbye Cruel World, is so stunning. So here we go, we've got the last, and then that one there. Those two are very similar. And we've got a helicopter or a plane going by. But overall, some really, really nice swatches. Wow. Let me get a new baby wipe out. Bit of stainage, but you know, what do you expect? Let's talk about this palette. I absolutely love the palette. I love the detailing of the sisters. I do think it needs a mirror, I must admit. Like, going forwards and backwards from a palette with a mirror, then going into a palette without a mirror is actually a bit annoying. But the shades are stunning. This shade here worked like a dream. I did not expect it, because you remember in the Child palette, that glitter press shade did not work that well. But in this shade, this palette, it worked really well with the same brush that I tried with the Child palette. So it's very, very stunning. Absolutely love this. And I'm so, so happy to have this right now. And I really, really hope that you guys have enjoyed this, because I cannot wait to play around with this from my day-to-day work life, because I feel like I could create some nice berry autumnal shades, like looks from this, and I really, really do love it. So I really hope you guys have loved this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you soon, because we're getting close to... So I've planned all my February content, and in March we will do like a roundup and then continue on with this series. So please let me know if you're liking this series, if there's anything you want me to change. I do have some more Colourpop products coming, so we'll have some more base products. I do want to get some like primers from there. But yeah, so I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.